Just sharing a new AI function on Seesaw. So if you want to create an assessment, you can click on here, and here you have an option to create the assessment using AI. So click on here, you can choose multiple choice, true or false, or a poll. So I'm going to demonstrate multiple choice today, and I'm going to pick on classic mode. For my questions, I'm going to find questions, and I'm going to put in multiplication word problems for year two. And then I hit return. And it'll take a couple of minutes or take about 30 seconds. And then the questions come up and you have the option to add them to the canvas. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so you have a choice to add it to the page, or you can edit the question. So I'm just going to add to the page. And for now, I'm just going to add to new pages. So I'm going to have 5 pages in total. It just generates 5 questions, as in the early days yet. So I'm sure there's going to be more add-ons in the future. Just double check the question and make sure you're happy with them. And then if I click here, I'll see what it looks like as a student. So the student goes in, the question: a farmer has 7 baskets of eggs with 9 eggs in each basket. How many eggs does the farmer have in total? So if the student picks the wrong answer, when the check work, it will say try again. And eventually, when they get the right answer, it'll say correct 2 tries. So it can be one question per page, or you can put a few questions on the page, and you can choose whether the student gets the feedback straight away after. So I guess just toy around with it and see how you get on. That's the new AI function for creating assessments in Seesaw, and not just for maths. You can use it for different subjects. For example, if I go to, I'll show one I just did earlier. Um, and I'm going to go the same thing, find questions. And I did circus and electricity for year five. And this is what it came up with. Okay, so you can see it can be quite useful across all subjects. And I'll just show one more. I did one more for English and prefixes and suffixes. I tried to get it to create 10 questions, but it just still only gave me 5. But this is what I came up with for prefixes and suffixes. What do they mean? And I said, that's just a multiple choice. You can pick true or false or a poll option.